Hey, welcome back to our channel. Here we are going to learn about which one is better for project management, Jira or Notion. Subscribe and let us explore together. Let us begin now. If you are a project manager, you have what it feels like an impossible task, being everywhere at all times. Physically, that's an impossibility, but virtually is another story, and good project management software can make it happen. The trick is knowing what software works best for your company and management style. Because so many tasks and to-dos are under your command, you need productivity tools that offer significant functionality such as Jira and Notion. But the question is, which is better? Notion is a free-form database that you can use for various activities, such as taking notes, managing recurring tasks, and project management. Information fields you enter into a database bi-directionally linked to other fields, pages, and databases. You can view information as tables, boards, lists, and calendars, with each link opening to a more in-depth nested page. Notion has also started rolling out artificial intelligence or AI tools that can help with note-taking and creating ideas. Its deceptively simple interface allows users to create virtually any ecosystem for notes, to-dos, and contents. Project managers can create schedules, develop workflows for repetitive tasks, assign tasks to teammates, and review productivity over time. Notion is a future-rich project management platform that goes far beyond being a simple note-taking app. Notion databases allow all users to make changes to in-progress tasks and projects. This includes moving jobs from in-progress to done on boards, adding comments to pages for in-document collaboration, and uploading video notes. These features are especially valuable to remote and hybrid teams, allowing communication to happen when and where the work happens. Now let us have the Notion pricing. We have free and then plus, $8 per user per month, billed annually. Business, $15 per user per month, billed annually. Enterprise, contact for pricing. Notion AI, additional $8 per user per month for paid plans. Now, what is Jira? Jira is an all-in-one project management software for agile teams. It offers tools for marketing campaigns, quarterly development goals, product launches, and everything in between. Jira works as a centralized source for organizing and monitoring projects and assigning tasks. You can view individual and collaborative projects through calendars, lists, boards, and other views. And the software can house guides, sales-enabled resources, and page-based resources. You can even automate critical aspects of project management, including finding process efficiencies, automatically assign tasks as they reach different stages, get alerts about stalled progress, and receive reports about how your team is performing all in one place. As part of the Atlassian ecosystem, Jira integrates well with other Atlassian tools your organization may already have in its tech stack. Jira is for project architects, project managers, and everyone on the Agile team, offering a range of tools to keep everyone aligned and productive. Great project management tools don't just accommodate project managers. They have the collaboration tools to manage tasks, templates, and resources everyone needs to work efficiently. Your team members can easily customize their dashboards to keep their preferred views ready at a glance. Dashboards features in Jira software include to-do lists of pending tasks, calendars, and Kanban or Gantt chart styles used for deciding what tasks to prioritize. This is the Jira pricing. We have free $0 per user per month, standard $8.15 per user per month, premium $16 per user per month, enterprise contact for pricing. Notion is the best tool for you if you require an all-in-one solution with Notion's flexibility, making it ideal for businesses that want a single platform for note-taking, task management, and document storage. Your team comprises individuals from various departments or disciplines, as Notion's general-purpose design can accommodate a wide range of needs. Jira is the best tool for you if you follow agile methodologies, as Jira is designed with agile teams in mind, offering features like Scrum boards and sprints, making it ideal for software development. Your projects are complex and data-driven with Jira's extensive reporting features that can provide valuable insights. And there you have it. Thanks for watching videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content and exploration. See you in the next video.